Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, July 9th, 2018, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Today was kind of a good news, bad news joke. I will give you the bad news first of all. We had positive $7,000 plus in open trade equity on Friday. And then, when I opened up the pre-market this morning, 45 minutes before stocks opened, it was up like $14,000, our positions. And then on the open, we actually went to 15,000 positive, and I have a screenshot of that on the website. And then, if you can believe it, that $15,000 went to negative $600 by the time we got out of it. It's just like everything collapsed. And that was in spite of the fact here, you see the Dow, what happened to the Dow? The Dow had a fantastic day today. It opened up, but then it just exploded this first 15 minutes, and it kept going all day long, finishing near its high, officially up 320 points. So great day at the Dow. Now, if we measure the overall market by the Dow, you got to wonder how it was that all our positions went to hell while the overall market was doing this right here. I don't know. But that is what happened. So that's the bad news. The good news is we got into 7 new positions, 6 positive, and we're carrying over $9,000 in open trade equity going into tomorrow. And as I check the aftermarket, that's up to like $15,000 right now. Of course, in the pre-market this morning, it was up to $15,000 too, and that didn't help us. So I don't know if that aftermarket stuff means anything right now. We'll just have to see how it goes. But generally speaking, with trading and markets, what the markets do one day, they'll do the opposite the next. So hopefully these positions that we have, they're totaling over $9,000, will get a lot better tomorrow based on the action today. That's my prediction. We'll just have to see. Anyway, we are overdue in July for a really good day. So maybe tomorrow will be that day. I certainly hope so. I'll show you 3 of our stocks from today. This first one, I think I showed you this on Friday. This is Arcule Incorporated, and this was our best exit for today. On Friday, we bought this right out of the gate. It kept going, closed very nicely. This morning, it really didn't add anything to that, but it didn't collapse like everything else did. And we took $4,500 out of Arcule Incorporated. So that was very good. Would have been nice to have gotten out up there, but that's not the system. I'll be happy. I'm happy with the $4,500. This next one, this is kind of a question mark to me right now. This stock is Play, Play. That's Dave and Buster's Entertainment Incorporated. And on Friday we bought this as soon as we could, and it didn't do anything. And then this morning this thing just exploded. And up here at the top during the opening range, that thing had to be up over $5,000. It did come back I don't know if I like the looks of this chart or not. But regardless, we're holding positive $2,300 in Dave and Buster's Entertainment Incorporated. And finally, a new stock for us that did very nicely today. This is Gevo Incorporated. And something happened with this today. Don't know what. Halfway through the day, it just took off. We grabbed it as soon as we could here. And it kept going. Did pull back some, but not too much. And we're carrying positive just over $4,000 in open trade equity in Gevo Incorporated. So that looks real good. So anyway, not a bad day. It's just a little frustrated how that open trade from Friday went, but I have hopes for how the open trade will go tomorrow. So let's keep our fingers crossed. This is Trader Bob signing off. I will be back here tomorrow on Tuesday.